Hello, good morning, friends and neighbors. Been working on getting the skirt. I don't know. It's not a mobile home, but been getting that done. Got it to where I've got my gates done here, because I'll be able to store the lawnmower under this there. I'm getting some more of that done. Still got to get up here and get working on that. Yeah, I've got the well house to do too. That's kind of becoming the bane of my existence right now. Is that stupid well house? But we will see. The blueberries and blackberries are doing real good. I've got to get some kind of trellis thing up here for them so that they can, because they're kind of viney and stuff. But fall is falling, and we will see what winter brings. All right, everybody, have fun. Hike safe.